In this video, I'll show you how to make a personal page on Facebook in just a few simple steps. A personal Facebook page, also known as a Facebook profile, allows you to connect with friends, share posts, upload photos, and interact with people on the platform. First, open the Facebook app and tap on Create New Account on the login screen. Then tap Get Started to begin the setup process. Next, enter your name, date of birth, and gender. After that, add your mobile number or email address so Facebook can create your account. Now create a strong password for your account and continue to the next step. Facebook may send a verification code to your phone number or email. Enter the code to confirm your account. Once the verification is complete, your personal Facebook account will be created. You can then add a profile picture, update your bio, find friends, and start posting on your timeline. And that's it. That's how you can make a personal page on Facebook. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.